Hi there, thanks for joining me. What do you reckon to this? This is the latest little project. Now, I've managed to get my hands on, well, it's a 1 Series. It's the 118 diesel, 11 plate. So this is the E87, new on the road, £23,500. It's 5 doors, it's got that beautiful 2 litre M47 engine in it, 143 horsepower, and it's rear wheel drive. 153,000 miles. It's got a few problems, but we're going to sort those out. 250 quid. Come and have a look. I don't think it's that bad. It's had a little bit of a dink on the front. The front grille's missing. We've got a little bit of paintwork blistering here and there. A few stone chips. Screen's good. I mean, it's got the nice alley wheels on it. They don't look too bad. No dents down the side. A few little scratches. Wants a really good clean. It's been stood under a tree, so it's got algae growing over it. It's still got 6 months MOT left on it. Got a few bit of scuffing around the back there. It's just minor stuff though, isn't it? There's no big dents in the roof or anything like that. This side looks good. I mean, inside it has been used for a few tip runs, but the seats are nice. There's no rips or tears. It's been well looked after. I just think the owners fell out of love with it. And yeah, it's just been stood around for a bit. I mean, it's not bad, is it? It's not bad. It's got all the bits and pieces. Like I say, we've got a few warning lights inside. When you fire it up, the parking sensors are not working properly. It's got a coolant light that's coming on and a stop start and a couple of other bits and pieces. Fired up nice. Let's have a quick look under the bonnet. There's no rattling from that chain. It sounds as good as gold, which is a really good thing. Now, this has got a full service history on it, believe it or not. So we know the oil's been changed, so the chain should be good as well. Let's just have a look in the coolant tank. There is coolant. It's a little bit low, so that's probably why the warning light's been coming on. But it's got flow. You can see the little jet of water coming through. So circulation's good. But it's not bad, is it? It's not bad at all. For 250 quid, what can I say? It's an absolute bargain. So we've got a few bits to order. I'm going to get onto eBay, see if we can order up a new front grille for it. But we're going to give it a really good clean, really good valet, and then we can get stuck into the mechanicals on it. Yeah, and see what's what. And hopefully it's not going to cost me too much money, but we should get a few videos out of it. What do you reckon? Stay with me on this journey. I hope you enjoy it. It's going to be great fun. Keep your eye for them videos. Have a good Christmas.